What is a virtual power plant? Also known as demand response management system, also known as distributed energy resource management system. It has many names, but what it comes down to is utilizing customer resource. We try to mimic the features of a power plant. Where the original virtual plant was using water heaters or air conditioners, so it wasn't providing power, it was reducing load. Nowadays, with customer-sided battery, or maybe even electric vehicle, the opportunities are increasing, and we're seeing new capabilities to again mimicking a traditional power plant that's actually providing power. The key is the sizing of it, where if I had 10,000 water heaters here or 5,000 batteries here, and if I had an interface for each individual one, system operators would not want to log into 5 or 6 different systems to dispatch a very, very tiny amount of kW or megawatts. So the virtual power plant idea is a catch-all so that all the systems or resources are aggregated. And the virtual power plant typically is a system level delivery. So if we get 10 megawatts, the location doesn't matter. It could be on the west side, east side, the system level. And that's why we call the word virtual power plant. We don't really have a locational sensitivity to it. However, as we see an increase in the presence of the virtual power plant, perhaps in the future, we can be locationally sensitive, where we can focus on a particular distribution area through our virtual power plant to manage that small area. So that is some new features that we're looking into. And we look forward to continuing developing these with all resources and be able to take part within One Electric's portfolio.